Good morning, good evening, good night, wherever you're watching this transmission. It is I, Mike Martins, coming back at you with another really good, hard-hitting article. Commonwealth Bank accused of plans to sack 10,000 staff and shut 300 branches. Now, guys, all in all, this kind of looks, okay, maybe they're cutting back. Yeah, this is coming out of, obviously, Australia. Now, this is going to affect a lot of the Commonwealth, whether you're in Canada, whether you're in the United States, New Zealand, or the United Kingdom. Let me tell you how it's going to affect you. It's going to affect you because this is what I'm believing. Okay, this is my tinfoil hat conspiracy. The more branches they close down, the harder it is to take your money out of the system. Australia is one of the very few, well, there's quite a few countries actually that wants to ban physical money. It's a great start by closing branches. Once you can not get to a branch to remove your cash, they'll start bringing up the whole, we don't need cash anyway. Where's the nearest branch to your house? They'll even make commercials. GPS says the nearest branch to your house is 47 kilometers. Damn. Australia, you don't need money. You don't need physical cash. Just transfer it digitally. And that's when they start imposing negative interest rates. And that's when they pass laws to allow themselves to take whatever you have in savings if they need so. And Commonwealth, so I'm believing in my tinfoil hat of hats. I got to make a tinfoil hat for the show. I believe that they're closing branches. Okay, they want to do cutbacks. They want to save some money. Royal Commission went in there and just scratched the surface and found so much crap on the books. Now, I think they're closing branches to make it hard for you to exit your money off the system. Because once you remove money from the system in cash format, you're not on their system anymore. You still have the cash, whether it's fiat, whatever. I don't care if it's worthless or whatever you guys say about it. You're still not on their system. You're off grid. So here's the thing. They want to stop that. And I'm thinking of them closing that many branches is telling me that they want to make people believe that money is not so necessary anymore. And these branches with ATM machines to withdraw your money, we could just digitally buy stuff on Amazon. We could digitally buy stuff on eBay. We could digitally transfer money. What do we need? We could tap our phones or tap our debit cards. We don't even need cash anymore. And that's what they're going to start propagandizing. And that's why when the branches close, paper trail disappears. Everything becomes digital. The finance sector union, FSU, has demanded answer from Australia's biggest bank over whether it plans to reportedly slash as many as 10,000 jobs and shutting down 300 branches. In a bid to provide certainty to employees, the SFU has called the CBA CEO Matt to confirm or deny reports of the organization that would sack 20% of its workforce and save $2 billion, as first reported by the Australian. CBA needs to come clean and tell workers what their plans are, says FSU. Unconfirmed speculation of the size can only lead to uncertainty. Sorry, guys. I pushed a button here. All right. Sorry about that. Is this still recording? Yeah. A lead to uncertainty that has far-reaching negative impacts on employees. The major bank revealed a strategy to become simpler, better banking. Yeah. Following the explosive, unfavorable revelations of the Banking Royal Commission. So a Royal Commission would be considered like as, I guess, auditors that went in there and kind of snooped around at the banks and what their systems were offering and their pay-to-play, what they have to offer, packages and products for customers to help customers, short and long-term investors and blah, blah, blah. It had originally planned to spin off its wealth management and mortgage brokerage arm, but announced last month that it would hold focuses on implementing recommendations of the Banking Royal Commission. CBA has suspended preparations from demerger in order to support the focus on these priorities, the bank said in a statement. In November 2017, NAB announced it would be shedding 6,000 jobs and create 2,000 new digital-focused jobs by 2020. What does that tell you? Everything's going to be digitized. But cuts didn't stop there. In February this year, NAB confirmed that up to 180 customer service roles would be cut. So here it is, guys. They want to put everything on grid. You removing your cash, and I have a feeling. See, Australia's like the guinea pig of this whole thing. They're kind of like poking at it with a stick and see how far they can go before people rise up, and no one's risen up. Now, I'm thinking there's a lot more going on, obviously, under the scenes and below the... But I have a feeling, I'm just kind of speculating this, guys, that if you do want to invest in metals, let's say, for example, metals and Bitcoin are popular right now, but let's say you want to invest in silver and gold, I think you have to register for everything you buy so that federally they will know who owns what in silver and what in gold. So if they have to tax you on that every year, they can. Just like they would tax your bank account if you get any interest off it. I don't know, man. Things are going to get a little bit more sketchier, you know? And then they'll pass a law a few years after that. If you have off-grid gold and silver and it's not registered, they could force seizure on it. They could just take it from you. So it's going to be a very interesting few years ahead. So silver and gold stackers, been hearing rumors going around, vicious rumors about regulating off-grid wealth. I want to know what you guys think. Am I out of my mind? Am I completely delusional that they want to get rid of cash and sacking branches and making people realize that I'm not driving 40 kilometers to a branch just to get cash? I'll just do it digitally and pay for it with my debit card or my Visa. It's so much more convenient. Why should I take my money off grid? Comment below. Let me know. I want to know. Thanks for watching.